another video. Welcome to beautiful Paphos. The time now is 12:33. Temperature on the car says 32 degrees. Fully sunny. Most of the dust, it looks like it's gone. Still some, still a little bit. The sky not so clear, but it feels a bit better. Because we have high humidity also. Now we're driving towards the harbour. Make a short video. Today it's August 18, 2023, Friday. Okay, a lot of people at the harbour walking on by the sea, the promenade. Most of them come from the beach with the swimsuits. Let's see if we can drive through the West Basilica. One of the subscribers requested to. Let's see if the road's open now. It's been opening and closing last few days, so been closed for a month or so. Last time I passed it was some road was going on. Now it looks like it's open. Let's see. Yeah, oh, good, can go through it. Yeah, still under construction on the road, but at least it will can pass through it. I don't know where this Basilica is. I think it's here somewhere. Here. Yeah, it's Basilica Holiday Resort. Here this is ex-staff hotel. I think it's under new management and they're building some, I don't know, apartment for rent or for sale. I'm not sure what they're building. Yeah, it is. Used to be Daphne before. There's big signs here for put your homes. Paphos αλλάζει, Paphos change. Okay, and more roadworks here, still ongoing. But at least I can go from the harbour to that's the Penguin. Before I had to make rounds and the road was closed. Yeah, the Penguin Cafe, one of my favorites for many years. I would take the drive